In number 9, we're asked to determine the vector equation of the line that passes through this point. So we got ourselves a point, and is parallel to the line of intersection of the two planes. Well, parallel means it's the same direction. So if we can figure out the direction of the line of our two planes, then we get the direction of our vector equation. So let's figure that out. So my two equations are plane number 1, 2x minus y plus z is 0. And underneath it, I got y plus 4z is 0. So right off the bat, I notice that I can kind of eliminate my y's. I can add them together. Notice there's no x's, right? So I didn't even put the x in there. But when I do add them, I end up with 2x, no y's, 5z's equals 0. It's about as far as I can go with that. I need a parameter right off the bat. So let's say z is t. There's my parametric. So 2x plus 5t equals 0. So 2x equals negative 5t. So x is negative 5 halves t. Now that I got x, let's go back and figure out y. The easiest one is to use the second equation, right? Make y plus 4z equals 0. Because we already said z is t. So in other words, we get y equals negative 4z, or if you prefer, negative 4t. So what is the direction that these two planes intersect? If I thought about their vector equation, it would be r equals, I have no x value, no y value, no z value, that's my point, plus t in the direction of negative 5 halves, negative 4, and 1. That's the key piece for us. We're making the vector equation of a line that has to go through the point A. So negative 2, 3, 6, and parallel to the line we just made. So using different parameters, use the letter s, negative 5 halves, negative 4, and 1. Now, I'll tell you right now, it's probably not the answer in the back of the book, because they often, in the back of the book, use the scalar multiple idea. Okay, so the point has to stay the same. But a better version of this direction is let's times it all by, make the x positive, so it's times it by negative 2. If I do that, I end up with a positive 5, a positive 8, and a negative 2. So we're just multiplying it all by negative 2, okay? It gets rid of the fractions, it gets rid of the negative sign on the x. Okay. And there's your answer number 9.